Hi, good morning. We're on our way to Universal and I wanted to show you my little outfit. Let's see if I can put it here and get everything in. Okay, so I have my Wicked crew neck from Target that says Defy Gravity on the back. This is a little one-piece dress from Aeropostale that I haven't worn a lot, but I think I want to start wearing a lot because it fits much better now. And I think it's so cute with this little Glinda look I'm going for. I just have pink sneakers to match everything, and then I have like these pink puffs in my hair, and I did a loose braid just to be fun. And I am going to Universal to see all of the Wicked pop-up stuff that they have there. I just renewed my pass, so I will be able to go to Universal and do some more Universal videos, so a lot of those are going to be coming. But today, we are specifically going for the Wicked stuff. I also do have some nail polish on that is Wicked themed. OPI did a collab with Wicked and I got this like shimmery one. I am starting to do my nails on my own, so bear with me, but I love the way it looks. I think it's so cute and I love this color. It is, oh, for Oz sake, if anybody wanted to know. And yeah, so this is the full fit. I made a mistake and didn't charge any of my camera batteries, so I'm waiting a little bit for those to charge now, and then we're gonna head out the door. We're gonna grab probably a Celsius because I don't have any and I don't feel like having coffee this morning. And then we're going to head out to Universal and it's gonna be such a fun day. But yeah, so welcome to this week's video. We're going to Universal. Yay! Oh my God, I love Wicked. I can't wait. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but I do have the REM So Popular lip oil on my lips just to sort of pull together the outfit. And I need one last thing, I think. Let's put on some perfume to match our outfit. Yeah, I'm thinking God is a Woman will be the perfume of choice for today. My Cloud perfume is out. It's been out. I just like the way it looks, so I have it on display. And I just think an Ariana perfume is like what I should go with, especially for my Glinda look. So we're gonna go ahead and all right. And with that, we are ready to go. Let's get out of here, friends. Let's go to Universal. Being a girl and going to a gas station is so scary, but I made it out, everyone. No worries. I did get a Celsius. I got the Oasis Vibe. I was stuck between this and the Grape Rush. I was looking to see if they had the Alani Nu Witch's Brew for my little witchy day. They didn't, so I just have my little Oasis Vibe. Let's open her up. Cheers, let's have a good day. Delicious. This is one of my favorites, so I'm not gonna complain about that. We are gonna hit the road, let's see. Oh, I was listening to One Direction on my way to the gas station, but, oh, Liam. Okay, let's see, let's get to Universal. Let's see how long it's gonna take us. Oh, an hour. That's normal. Believe it or not. All right, let's go. We're gonna go in.
Sorry.
It's okay.
These t-shirts and clothes. Actually like that. And don't hit that. I am going in and all the scary stuff is already out. Oh my god, they have so much Scooby-Doo merch. We're in. We also have a Wicked store here. We're gonna go in here. We also have this beautiful jewelry. That necklace.
Oh my god, sorry, I'm shaking.
That necklace is beautiful. Oh my god. And the keychain. Here's the jewelry. It like opens up. Wow. This is beautiful. I like the hot air balloon too. This is Oz. We even have a little Cynthia and Ariana back there. And we have more keychains and pins. We just have cute little random like jewelry and keychains from, what is this? Filthy Rich? How fun. This is a magnet. That's so cute. And I kind of like these pens, but I don't know if I should get them. I already got them. Oh my god, they have more jewelry. They did not have this at the other store. Oh my god. Wow. This is all blended coded for sure. They have this little cropped sweatshirt. And I actually kind of love this little crew neck. This little cropped t-shirt. I might actually get that one. So the corner of the store is decorated like Galinda's like room. It's so cute. It has the walls and stuff. And then like look at that decoration. Beautiful. I did see this at the other store and bought this one, but that's why I'm tempted to get these pens. I want some alphabet representation here too. Like, look at this display. I really, really like this shirt too. It's also a quick cool buddy outfit. They have Wicked and Glinda over there as well. See, there's like trendy decorations. Here's the and the order screen. Okay, I don't really have anything to stand you on, so you're going to be at a weird angle. So sorry, did not think this through. So I got the roastified corn flatbread. I also got the apple pie funnel cake, which looks so good and delicious. And lastly, I did get the Cosmopolitan, which is green and looks delicious and is alcoholic, of course. This is going to be a lot, but I'll have some coffee out here. Okay, let's try the Cosmopolitan first. It's like an apple, lemon, lime sort of cosmopolitan drink. This is so good. It has like a sugar rim. You can definitely taste the alcohol, but not too much. It's really good. Probably the best Cosmopolitan I've ever had. I am going to go ahead and eat the gummy because if this sits in liquid too long, it'll get really hard. Oh. Half of it is already hard. And of course they're out of napkin. Next, I'm going to try the flatbread. This is just like supposed to be like take on Mexican corn, but it's a flatbread. It has corn and it looks like some peppers, cilantro, and then some cotija cheese just sitting on top. Oh, that is all falling off, but it says Oz. So, I was able to rip it. It's pretty good. Very strong corn flavor, and I really taste the bell peppers a lot too. I probably am gonna spread the cheese on over a little bit more, since I don't need it to be like picturesque anymore. But yeah, like a 7 out of 10. Cosmopolitan is like an 8.5 out of 10. Or the Cosmopolitan, sorry. Also, where I'm sitting and enjoying my lunch, I can see all of the Wicked bread from the store. So tempting. This pizza is so good. I don't know if I can finish it all because I do also want to have some of this apple pie funnel cake on here, and I'm making my way through this Cosmopolitan. Alright, and the last thing we have is this apple pie funnel cake. You can see a little bit there, but there's like apple under where the whipped cream is, the Cool Whip, and there's a little Oz token here. And then like golden green flakes for Oz. So cute and I can't wait to try this. This is very hard to eat, but I just grabbed a little bit of everything onto the spoon. I meant fork. You guys. 10 out of 10, this is so good. If you come and get anything, definitely this funnel cake and the Osmopolitan. I actually want to try one of the other drinks when I come back. It's like a take on a Tom Collins, and I love a Tom Collins. But for today, that's it for the food. I'm gonna enjoy this a little bit more, and then after this, I'll give you a little merch haul of everything I got, and then we're gonna wander in the park and see if there's any other wicked things happening. I don't really have a good angle to give you a haul of everything I got, but I can show you the small stuff. So I do get a discount with my pass, which is always excellent. But at the first stop we went to, I've been wanting a lot more Universal pins. As you've been seeing, I've been collecting a lot of Disney pins for a while, and now I want some Universal ones too. So at the first store, I did get this Glinda pin for $10, and again, I get a little discount with my pass, but it has like sparkles in it. So cute. And then at that same store, I did get this keychain that has this little rotating little image that has both Glinda and Elphaba on it, which I thought was so cute. It also has a little Wicked icon up here, and then a little charm that says Wicked on it. And this was $15, but I think I'm going to use it all the time, especially when I come here, and then also just add it to my keys for everyday life. Honestly, I love this little keychain. And then next, at the second store I went to, I got two things. I got a shirt, which I'll show you when I get home, because I don't know when I'm gonna get a good time to show you at the parks. And that was the features store. This was the second one. I got these two items at the store in City Walk, but these pens, I did not see them at that store, but I did grab these Wicked pens. These were $19, but it is two. And also, are they starting to do little stars on the back of theirs, like Disney has the Mickey shape? I actually love that. That is so cute. I don't know when that started, but I love that, their little theme. But I got these two Wicked pins. It's a green one with the black W and a black one with the green. I thought it represented Elphaba a little bit because I kind of wanted one for both, and they don't have one like this for Elphaba. So I did grab this one from the store inside the park. This store did have a little bit more merchandise, so I think the one at City Walk just has some of the general merchandise, and this one's a little bit bigger with more merch. I see them playing the trailer right now, sorry I got distracted. But yeah, I'm so happy I finally got some Universal pins, and I can't wait to add them to my little pin board. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the shirt I got at home again, but we're going to get up from lunch and go explore the park a little bit more. I think there's this photo up somewhere, so I'm going to try to find that, and then that might be the end of our day. But yeah, let's go ahead and adventure out. Alright, very fitting next to this green door. I think that's going to be the end of my Universal time, but stay tuned for the shirt that I have to show you at the end. Alright, I am home now. It has been a very long day, but I did want to show you the t-shirt that I got. So I did end up getting the green cropped Wicked t-shirt. The Wicked right here is embroidered. It's such nice fabric. I just love the green, and since I had this pink already, I felt like I needed something to represent Elphaba, of course. So I got this in a size small because it does look like it's gonna be kind of big on. So I did grab a size small, and this was $37, but I did get a 15% discount or something like that. And then this goes along with all that other Wicked merch that I got. But since this is a Wicked themed vlog, I wanted to go ahead and show you some other Wicked stuff I do have, because it's fun, and I just felt like this was the right time, and I'm just really happy with all of my Wicked merch. So let me run and grab it. Okay, so one of the first things I got was, for my birthday, my friend gifted me the Voluspa, there we go, candle set with Glinda and Elphaba's scents in it. They smell so good. I actually love this little box. they're displayed in. I kind of want to display them and not light them for a little bit, but yes, they're so cute. They're beautiful. I can literally smell them here. And Glinda's like sweet and Elphabas is a little earthy. They smell so good and I can't wait to use them. But I just love this little, I love this little display box. So I don't know when I'm gonna put this away, but one of my other friends got me this Emerald City makeup bag from the collab with Conair. It's so cute. The little zipper is the W for Wicked, and the inside has like the Emerald City like pattern here. It's absolutely adorable, and I can't wait to use this very soon. And then obviously I got this pink Wicked crew neck. The back says Defy Gravity. I bought this from Target myself, and then also I saw that they had these Wicked like what's this? These Wicked velvet bows. They have a pink one, a black one, and a green one, and they're like sparkly. They're so cute. And then the green one has a little Wicked W there, but I did grab this from Target as well. And that's all the Wicked stuff I have for now, plus all the stuff I got. Well, I'm gonna go add my new pins to my pin board, and yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this vlog. Thank you for coming to this little witchy, Wicked themed vlog. I can't wait till there's the photo op in Universal and to go again when they have the little experience that they're gonna have. Super exciting. I'm glad I got to go for all the fun food they have, and yeah. Stick with me, guys. We're gonna have another fun vlog for the next week, so I hope you have a good week, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.